Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make spring twist, mini twist with your natural hair. I did a video like this some time ago, like some months ago, about 5 or 6 months ago, but it wasn't spring twist, it was just normal two strand twist. So this time around I'm going to be doing a spring twist, or as we all know, bouncing kinky twist. So the first thing I did, like you saw earlier, was to divide my hair into six. Most times when I'm doing twists like that, I love to divide my hair into six. I feel like it makes me twist faster and it makes me focus. Okay, so that's what I do usually. You can part your hair or section your hair into four, or some people don't even section their hair, but I like to section my hair because it helps me know exactly what I'm doing. And when it comes to mini twist, I love to start at the front because I believe that the size that I start with at the front will determine how the back will go. If you start at the back, you may start very tiny, and then when you get to the front you get tired. So for me, I like to start at the front. All right, so basically the technique of twisting or spring twist is twisting backward. I'm going to be showing you how I did that. Instead of twisting the regular Senegalese or Mali twist, you have to twist backward using the right twist method. Okay, if you go to my short, you see a video of me differentiating between right twist and left twist. I'm going to tag it in this video in the description box so you can go back and see it. So like you see, I'm twisting it backwards. It's backwards instead of the other method. Instead of using the left hand, I'm going backwards. So you just have to hold, twist, yes, hold, twist and turn, hold, twist and turn, hold, twist and turn. Simple. That's all that it entails. And to make sure your twist lasts long, because I can tell you that spring twist or backward twist doesn't stay long. So what I do is that I start with like a braid, like braiding, yes, like as if I want to braid, then I twist down. So that's how you secure the roots of your twist. That's if you are a beginner to twisting. But if you're not a beginner by now, you should know how to secure your twist. But for me, I love to start with braid, and then when I braid a little, then I twist. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video, and then please ask your questions in the comment section. If you find this video helpful or valuable, please drop a like, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video to your friends, and please, I will appreciate if you watch this video to the end. It's going to help me, it's going to push this video, the algorithm is going to push this video, it's going to be helping with the algorithm. So please help me by supporting me with a like, a share and a comment. If this is your first time of watching me or being here, I share everything about hair, what I know, how to braid, and you can just go around through my videos to help yourself with some of the videos that will help you. If you're having issues with styling your hair, you can just go and then learn one or two. Please subscribe if you're new here, be a part of our community, and you're not going to regret it. Thank you so much. I'm going to leave you now to watch this video. Have a lovely time. I'll see you in the next video.